Alright, girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Jessie J, strong song coming from her. I'll never know why. That's the title of the song, and I believe it's inspired by a friend of hers who died. So, yeah, you can obviously see how she performs this in her music video, and I believe I read it somewhere she did this in one take or so, so it's very genuine. And yeah, a nice song coming up from Jessie. If you want to play it, then stay here to watch this tutorial. Now let's go into the chords. You can see here, clean on fretboard, no need for any capo here. And what we have to play is 7 different chords. So let's take a look at the chords. We have C first, and that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And we actually also got the E minor, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We have G next. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, 3rd E. We also got the G at 11. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 1st B. And this E, open E, or 3rd E, it's optional. You can also go with open E down there, alright? We also got the F chord. So it's a bar chord you place in his finger on this 1st fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And finally, we have the D minor. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Now, handling of these chords is very simple. It's about 4 downs, like this, if you grab the C chord. Okay, I try to emphasize the 3rd down, so I play on the bass strings for all the other downs. But when the 3rd down comes, I go down and play the higher strings, and then back and forth the bass strings. So it's bass, bass, top, bass. Okay, that's the rhythm. Now let's go into the verse. You're gonna play C2, A minor 2, E minor 2, and G2. You play that for 2 rounds. 1 round goes like this. Alright, that's the verse play. Now into the pre-chorus. I want to tell you that's where we're on the lyrics, and 34 seconds in. I'm going to play F2, D minor 2, F2, G, 1 down, and a pause, as if you would play 2 strumming rounds, but you have just 1 down, and that's the length of the pause. So F, D minor, F, G. Okay, and that's the pre-chorus. Now into the chorus, and it goes to start with in the same way as the verse plays. So you have that C2, A minor 2, E minor 2, and G2 for 2 string rounds, and you're gonna play for 2 chord progression rounds as well. So that is the starting point, and then you're gonna finish off with F2, D minor 2, F2, then the G add 1 down with a pause, and then the G 1 down and a pause. So that is the ending of the chorus. I play that in the introduction tutorial so you can listen how it sounds there. Let's move on to the second round of everything now. It's pretty much repetition, and it actually is. So 2nd verse, 2nd pre-chorus, 2nd chorus, everything is played in the same way. I forgot to mention, after each and every round, each and every chorus, we have an instrumental part. So after the first instrumental part, after first chorus, we have an instrumental part that goes C. You're gonna play on that C for strumming rounds. You just stay on that C for strumming rounds. After this 2nd chorus now, you're gonna play C2, A minor 2, E minor 2, F2, that chord progression for 2 rounds after this 2nd chorus. And after that, we have this final part. It's the outro, okay? So the outro is C2, A minor 2, E minor 2, F2 for 2 chord progression rounds. And then you're going to end with F2, D minor 2, F2, and then 1 down on that G add, then the G, and then you're going to end with C. And that's it, my friends. Thank you for watching Jessie J. She performs I'll Never Know Why on our channel. A great, strong song coming out from her. Perfectly fitting a guitar, so you can play that very easy. So yeah, hope I helped you in some way, and if I did, please leave me some feedback on that on my channel here on this tutorial. Leave me comments, like, and be back. Thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.